I'm starting with probably the most famous salad on the internet, Jennifer Aniston salad. This is the salad she ate every day for 10 years on the set of Friends. She calls it a version of a Cobb salad that they pretty much butchered on set. Sounds delicious. It's really packed with protein, it's hearty, and I think it's gonna be right up my alley.
And I was tagged on this recipe, but I could not find the printed out recipe on the All Recipes website. So I had to approximate amounts based on what I could see in the video, which I'm pretty good at, but I just wanted to add that disclaimer here.
She says crispy, crispy turkey bacon. We also have salami and chicken. She also included garbanzo beans / chickpeas, Italian dressing. Now we build in the base. Maybe my favorite salad lettuce, iceberg. I know it has no nutritional value.
Oh, let's bust that myth right now, because iceberg lettuce is a nutrient-dense food. The main nutrients that you're getting from iceberg lettuce are vitamin K, vitamin B9, also called folate, vitamin B7, also called biotin, polyphenols, and fiber, for almost no calories. Which is why when you crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density, you end up with a nutrivore score for iceberg lettuce of 773. To put that number into perspective, any food with a nutrivore score higher than about 150 is contributing more nutrients than calories to our overall diet. So sure, other lettuce varieties are double to triple the nutrient density of iceberg, but iceberg lettuce is giving you 5 times more nutrients than calories, which meets the definition of a nutrient-dense food. Plus,
the crunch that you get and the crispness from iceberg, it's unmatched.
So if iceberg lettuce is your favorite lettuce, don't feel bad. You are making a nutritious choice.
Okay, then on go our proteins. I'm gonna save a little bit back for the topping. Chickpeas, but not too many. We don't wanna upset Jen's stomach. A chopped tomato. All right, and then she said pecorino cheese. So I've got some pecorino romano cheese. I'm grating it so that you can get little bites of that saltiness in there. This to me is the perfect dinner salad. When you don't feel like cooking, this is the way to go. And this is the kind of salad that'll fill you up. Some people think that a salad should just be a side. This is the kind that doubles as a meal. It's delicious. The salty bite that's in the salad mixed with that tangy dressing, that's like the addictive quality of the salad. So I can see how you could eat this every day, if not at least several times a week. The real Jennifer Aniston salad, the friendship salad, I give it a solid 9 out of 10.
And acknowledging my approximations for the amounts of the ingredients. Per serving, you are getting 41 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. Over 80% daily value for vitamin A and vitamin B3. Over 70% daily value for vitamin B6. 45% daily value for iron. 38% daily value for vitamin B1 and zinc. And 1/4 to 1/3 of the daily value for vitamin B2, vitamin B5, vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. A great amount of nutrition for about 600 calories. Which is why when you crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density of this Jennifer Aniston salad, you end up with a nutrivore score of 256. Yes, about 2/3 more nutrients than calories. And if you see any recipes you'd like me to analyze, feel free to tag me in them. You'd probably love my free weekly newsletter over on Substack. And if you'd like to support my work, come on over and join my Patreon, which gets tons of exclusive resources, including a weekly podcast and a new ebook every month.